You go add the Mini Cooper to the video, of course, mate. Give it some, bro. Give it some. Give it some. Give it some. Give it some. They're probably gonna make noise. Yeah. They're probably gonna moan. Who cares? Give it some. Give one. Give it some. Okay guys, this is where the video would have to end. Okay, so I will be back next week with more videos and more fun stuff, and I hope you love it, you like it, you've watched it, and I hope that you will give me a like, a thumbs up, leave me comments down below. I will be back in another video. Until then, stay safe, God bless,